Good morning, class 6th. So yesterday you told me about that you have not completed with this question answers of lesson number 6. Lesson number Kalpana the Star. So today I am going to give you the answers of this lesson. So you have completed the explanation of the lesson and your exercise has not been done. So here we start with the question answer part. Now you will write comprehension, comprehension Kalpana the Star, section 3. Okay, so first of all you will write, how did Willie McCool describe his experience when he boarded the space shuttle Columbia? So you have to tell about the Macaulay Culkin's experience, how he described his experience when he boarded the space shuttle. So the answer is, you will find the answer here in this paragraph. So the answer goes like this. Willie McCool was overwhelmed with the jubilation, or in other words we can say that he was overjoyed to see the rising and setting of the sun and the moon, going around the globe and seeing the Himalayan range and the Great Barrier Reef was an extraordinary experience for him. Here Willie McCool was overwhelmed with the jubilation, means he was overjoyed, he was very happy as he boarded the space shuttle, and in other words we can say that his joy knew no bounds, means वो इतना ज़्यादा खुश था. Overwhelmed with jubilation means when you are very happy, or in other words we can say that he was overjoyed means he was more than happy to see the rising and setting of the sun. He was so excited about that to see that the sun rising and setting and the moon coming up and then again setting. So he was very much excited about that. Going around the globe, they were just roaming around the globe and seeing the Himalayan range. From there they could see the Himalayan range and the Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef it's a coral reef in Australia. It's a coral reef in Australia. So seeing all these things, all these sights were making him very much excited, and he was more than happy. It was an extraordinary experience for him. Second question. Why were the Indians very much excited about the space shuttle Columbia? Why were Indians very much excited? Can you tell me why they were so much excited? Because the Indians were very much excited about the space shuttle Columbia because one of the crews was Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian born lady to go into space. That is why they were so very excited, because one of the crew members was our India born lady, the first woman to go into the space, Kalpana Chawla. That is why they were very much excited. What made a pall of gloom all over India? What made a pall of gloom all over India? Pall of gloom means बच्चे when you are in a very much grief. जब आपको किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है और आप बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हैं. Pall of gloom means sense of sorrow, means utmost grief, बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी होना. So what made a pall of gloom all over India? क्या हुआ ऐसा? What incident made India to go into the pall of gloom? So what happened that India went into the pall of gloom? Actually, when the sad news of the space shuttle catching fire and breaking apart flashed on the television, the whole world, especially India, went into grief. This incident made a pall of gloom all over India. The entire crew of the 7 was killed. So everybody was very excited, as you have read here, that everybody was very happy and very excited. Spacecraft was on its 255th journey around the earth. People all over the world, particularly India, were waiting for the landing with a bated breath, means very excitedly. Bated breath, very excited. For one of the crews was a Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian born lady to go into the space. So Indians were very much excited, that is why. But when everything was going all right, and suddenly when the space shuttle caught the fire and broke apart in the sky or all over the Florida, so this incident made a pall of gloom. इस इंसिडेंट जो कि लोग इतने एक्साइटेड थे देखने के लिए कि स्पेस शटल अभी नीचे आएगी, इंडिया अर्थ की तरफ आ रही थी, it was going to land on earth, and suddenly this incident happens, and during this incident all the crew members of 7 were killed. So this all incident sent the India into a pall of gloom. Now the next question, what might have gone wrong with the space shuttle? ऐसा क्या हुआ होगा जिससे कि स्पेस शटल में आग लग गई? What might have gone wrong? क्या गड़बड़ हुई होगी? So the answer can be that the spacecraft was moving very fast, right? It was moving very fast towards the Earth. Just when everything looked all right, everything was looking all right, everything was going perfect, but some technical problem occurred and something to do with the temperature and the tide pressure. एंड सडनली कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है जिससे कि लगता है कि कोई टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आ गई है या कुछ टेम्परेचर या प्रेशर से रिलेटेड कोई बात हो गई है, एंड विद इन मिनट्स द स्पेसक्राफ्ट कॉट फायर एंड ब्रोक अपार्ट. तो कुछ ही मिनटों में ये सारा इंसिडेंट हो गया. इससे पहले सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा था, बट एकदम कोई प्रॉब्लम, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आती है और कुछ टेम्परेचर की प्रॉब्लम होती है, प्रेशर बढ़ता है और विद इन मिनट्स उनकी स्पेसक्राफ्ट में आग लग जाती है एंड इट ब्रेक्स इनटू द पीसेस. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैड कल्पना गॉन इनटू स्पेस बिफोर ट्रेजेडी? सो बिफोर ट्रेजेडी कल्पना हैड गॉन ओनली वंस. That was in 1997. Kalpana had gone one time before in 1997 into space before the tragedy. So this was his second time, and second time unfortunately she died. So before tragedy she has gone once more time. That's it. That was in 1997. Now tick the correct option. Where did the Kalpana Chawla born? Where she was born? She was born at Karnal. She was a Karnal girl, small town in Haryana. So Kalpana Chawla died in February 1, 2003, and the spacecraft which caught the fire, it was in 2003 February 1. Who was the Prime Minister of India then? During that time, A.B. Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. Now, turn your page. Now it comes to the language skills. Look at the following sentences. Kalpana enjoyed flying aeroplanes. Her father suggested her taking architecture. The children started dancing and singing, and all the words in italics are called gerunds. A gerund is used as a noun. So it is also called as a verbal verb. Gerund बच्चे, it's a verbal verb. इसको हम noun की तरह यूज़ करते हैं. Mostly verbs के साथ जब हम ing लगाते हैं तो वो gerund form में लगता है. But not every verb with the ing form is gerund. हमेशा gerunds जो हैं ing फॉर्म वाले नहीं होते हैं, बट ऑलमोस्ट हम gerunds जो हैं verbs के साथ ing फॉर्म लगाते हैं. Gerunds are often used before nouns like adjectives. तो इनको nouns के साथ हम as a adjective भी यूज़ करते हैं. For example, like washing powder. Now कौन सा powder? Washing powder. Sleeping bag. Which bag? It's a sleeping bag. So here jogging suit. Which suit? Jogging suit. So it is like an adjective before the noun. These all are nouns: powder, glass, bag and suit. So before this, these words, these are used as the gerunds. So we call these words as gerunds. So here also Kalpana enjoyed flying airplanes. Means what did the Kalpana enjoy? She enjoyed flying airplanes. So here the flying is the gerund. Her father suggested her taking architecture. Her father suggested her taking architecture means her father wanted that she should take architecture. So here the taking is gerund. The children started dancing and singing. Here there are two verbs and with the ing form, so these two are the gerunds. All the words in italics are called gerunds. So these words which are in italics and in color, these are called gerund, and gerund is also used as a noun. It is also called a verbal verb. So now we have given some sentences and you have to underline the gerunds. Running is a good way to keep fit. Now here running is used as a noun. They are telling about some exercise that is, it's a name of exercise. So as you all know that noun is a naming word. So the name of a person, animal, place or a thing. So here it is a name of an exercise. So that is why it's a gerund, used as a gerund here. Running is a good way to keep fit. She was good at drawing. She was good at what? Drawing. Drawing is also a name of something, na? So that is why here drawing is also used as a gerund. Have you ever tried skating? Now here again it is a name of a sport. It is again used as a noun here. No talking in spacecraft, please. So here they are instructing you that there should be no talking in the spacecraft. Means here it is used as the verbal verb. Means it is also called as the verbal verb. Here they are instructing you. So talk is a verb and with the ing form it's a gerund. Doing exercise is important. Now here they are telling you that doing exercise is important. That means here doing word is the gerund. So now we'll look at the following pieces of dialogues. Fill in the blanks using form of the colored verb. Now, do you like to dance? You have to fill in the blanks using the form of the colored verbs. Now here the verb is do you like to dance? Dance is a verb here. Verb means action word. Verb means action word. Action word जो होता है उसे हम verb कहते हैं. So here they are asking you, look at the following pieces of dialogues. Do you like to dance? No, not all this are. No, not all this are. She didn't like dancing. Means इसको हमने appropriate form of verb में use करना है. Have you broken the window pane? Means here the word broken is we have to use the right form of verb here. Have you broken the window pane? Somebody is asking. No, I haven't. He denied breaking. So he denies that he has not broken the window pane. Window pane means window का जो शीशा होता है. Were you talking with the police? Yes, he admitted talking. Means there was a question that were you talking with the police? So he said yes, he admitted talking. I'll complete it tomorrow. You're always postponing. So they were angry to my postponing it to the next day. Shall we have tea? No, she avoided having tea. She avoided having tea.
डॉल है डॉल. हाँ.
So here with this we have completed this part of exercise also. Now we come to this word par. Combine the nouns with the gerunds to form meaningful compound nouns. Like here, one is done for you, the fruit picking, lorry driving, bird watching, coal mining, weight lifting, fish farming. So you have to combine the nouns with the gerunds. These are the nouns and these are the gerunds here, and we have to combine and write it here. So you can see.
उसका धोती कुर्ता थोड़ा एडजस्ट हो जाएगा आपके.
Now use the following words in the sentence of your own.